Bro, today's market setup is extremely interesting. Despite global markets remaining weak, Indian indices refused to break down yesterday. Nifty stayed above 26,000, Bank Nifty held near highs, volatility stayed low, and DIIs once again absorbed FII selling. Now the big question for today is very clear. Is the market preparing for another sideways grind, or is a directional move finally loading? Let's decode everything calmly before the opening bell. On Monday, Nifty closed near 26,027, down marginally by around 20 points. Despite opening weak near 25,930, Nifty recovered steadily and spent most of the session consolidating above the 26,000 psychological level. However, market breadth was weak. Declines were higher than advances, clearly showing that this was not a broad-based rally but a selective, defensive market. Bank Nifty outperformed again. It closed near 59,462, gaining around 72 points. After an early dip, Bank Nifty showed controlled buying throughout the day and ended near the upper half of the intraday range. Let's check what changed overnight. Global markets remain under pressure. US indices closed weak again, with the Nasdaq and S&P 500 ending in the red. Asian markets are also trading cautiously this morning, with Nikkei and Shanghai showing mild weakness. US futures are trading lower at this hour. Dow futures are down more than 140 points, S&P futures are down around 40 points, and Nasdaq futures are down over 200 points. This tells us that global sentiment is still risk-off and confidence has not returned. SGX Nifty is trading low around 26,030, down roughly 60 points. The SGX high is near 26,121 and the low is around 26,030. This suggests a mildly negative to flat opening for the Indian market, not a panic-driven gap down. This also tells us that global traders are expecting India to hold better than global peers. Commodities are sending mixed signals this morning. Gold and silver remain firm, indicating continued caution globally. Crude oil prices are slightly lower, with Brent near 60 and WTI near 56, which is mildly positive for India from an inflation perspective. The USD INR is trading near 90.81, marginally higher but still stable. There is no major currency shock affecting the market today. On 15th December, DIIs bought nearly 1,792 crores rupees, while FIIs sold around 1,468 crores rupees. This data again confirms that domestic institutions are the biggest reason why the market is refusing to break down despite global weakness. As long as DII buying continues, sharp downside moves will remain limited. Nifty VIX closed near 10.25, slightly higher than the previous session but still extremely low in absolute terms. This low volatility environment supports range-bound trading, but the small uptick in VIX is a warning sign that traders are slowly starting to price in uncertainty. Technical levels for today. For Nifty, immediate support lies near 25,940. If this level breaks, the next support comes near 25,850. On the upside, resistance is placed near 26,080, followed by 26,140. For Bank Nifty, support lies near 59,200 and then 58,950. Strong resistance remains between 59,550 and 59,700. Sector view: what to expect today. Banking stocks remain the backbone of the market. PSU banks continue to show relative strength, while private banks are mixed. Bank Nifty must decisively cross and sustain above the 59,550 zone to unlock fresh upside. IT stocks may remain under pressure today because of continued weakness in Nasdaq. Any recovery in IT should be treated cautiously. Defensive sectors like FMCG may see selective buying if global uncertainty persists. Metal and energy stocks may remain range-bound due to mixed commodity cues. Market expectation for 16th December. Based on weak global cues, negative SGX signals, strong DII support, and low volatility, today's market is likely to open mildly negative or flat and then attempt to stabilize. This is not a momentum day. This is a patience and level-based trading day. Traders should avoid overtrading and wait for confirmation after the opening volatility settles. That's the complete pre-market setup for today. Trade with discipline, respect the levels, and let the market show the direction. If you found this analysis useful, like the video, share and subscribe to Wealth Mama for daily updates.